Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 19th, 2021. We're going to do a look back video on a stock recommendation that many YouTubers have talked about last year. I would say during the summer months of last year, 2020. And we're going to speak on one in particular. The YouTube channel is right here. The individual's name is Chris Sain. And he was talking about GNUS stocks. You know, there's a lot of YouTubers here in this space that tries to give us some ideas as to some stocks that are recommended buys, right? So for us, we're simply going to look back at the performance of these stocks that these YouTubers have recommended and see whether or not they are actually good picks. So today we're going to talk about GNUS brands. Now, before we go into this, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to this channel because we will be creating more videos of this nature just to gauge the performance of these recommendations that these stock YouTubers talk about. So here we are. We're looking at GNUS brands, and this video was uploaded by YouTuber Chris Sain. You guys can see it was uploaded on June the 9th, 2020. So maybe what, 6-7 months ago, this particular video was uploaded, and he was speaking on when to sell for big profits in the market for GNUS brands. Now, I took a small snippet of this video and I want you all to listen to the things that he talked about. Let's listen. Give it just a minute.
Days. I need you to look at these days as if the stock is on sale. And so if your average price isn't $4.06, $4.07, then I need you to be saying, you know what, I can get in at this stock at a much lower price. That is one way and one mindset shift that we have to make. Don't say my account is down. Don't say my stock's doing terrible today. No. These are the days us real investors look forward to. We buy hundreds and hundreds of shares on days like today. This is where the real wealth is built, on days like today. And so I want to kind of shift your mindset towards what you guys need to be.
So there it is. He said, down days are good days. On this particular day that this video was created, you can see that GNUS brands was down 22, almost 23%. Last trade price, you guys can see, was at $4.07. This is the price he stated that you're supposed to come in and buy hundreds of shares, under the premise that you would expect the price to go back up, right? So you need to, according to him, readjust your mind frame, your mind state, into understanding that when you have days like that to where the market is down 23%, that you're supposed to come in and buy more of the particular stock. Cool, got it. So let's take a look at the market now for GNUS brands though. Okay, it's been 6-7 months. Let's look at the price now. This is GNUS brands right here on a daily basis. So what I did, I created a forecast, a prediction of what your profit or loss would have been today if you would have taken that advice from Chris Sain. So you can see right here is June the 9th. This was the price of GNUS brands on that particular day. And as you can see, the price hasn't even increased at all. The market completely dropped. It continued to fall all the way down to a low price of about $1. That is the area of support into the market. But if you would have taken his advice or taken that recommendation on that video, you would have been, at least for the moment today, if you were to get out the market right now, you'd be down 65.16%. So is he still pushing that same mantra that when the market drops, you need to change your mind state and don't think that it's a down day? You need to come in and buy hundreds of shares. Because if that was the case, you would have been buying the market in GNUS brand all the way down. And the market hasn't even recovered yet. So there's no purpose into explaining that when you have no idea when the market's going to go back up to higher price. Here it is. Into 2021, and the market in GNUS brands hasn't even recovered. So this is another failed instance of a stock recommendation not going good from a YouTuber. Now, I'm quite sure there's some good ones that he's picked, but he only, and many of them, not just Chris, many of them simply just tells you when to buy. They don't tell you when to get out the market. If you're going to tell someone when it's an opportunity to come into the market, then you should be able to tell them when it's the opportunity to get out. So this is just a look back. We're just here to show you the performance. We have nothing against Chris. We have nothing against any YouTuber. But if they're going to be out here giving out recommendations, then we need to look at the performance of those recommendations. That's all. So hopefully they'll be giving us a little bit better pick of stocks. That's all. So if you guys appreciate it, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to this channel. Now I'm out.